Hey, in this video, I'm going to tell you the biggest secret in video marketing for beginners like you. Are you ready? Don't tell anyone. If you're watching this, it means that you are ready to take the next step to show off your business to a wider audience. And this is fantastic. As a business owner, it's easy to feel overlooked and frustrated that people are just scrolling past your content. Well, the truth is, if your video content is average looking and your message is too broad, they'll probably keep scrolling past you because it doesn't connect with them. You can easily fix it, and here's how. Oh, and before you click off thinking, I already know this, keep watching, because I guarantee even when we do this process with established, successful businesses, they see results. We travel around the country with our workshops, and I ask the question, who knows their audience? And the whole room puts their hand up. And then I go on and ask, where do they spend the most time online? What social media platforms do they use? What length of videos do they like? And how do they search for their answers? How do they speak, and what language do they use? How can you get that from a bit of paper? Do they like how-to content, interviews, documentaries, short content? There's so many questions. And you know what? About 10% of the room can answer these questions. So if you're one of those 10%, I want you to go and watch this video, Video Making for Marketing, a step-by-step process right now. And if not, stick with me. To get the answers to these questions, it takes more than guesswork. The easiest way is to actually ask. Most people will put out surveys, but to be honest, they're very boring. And how can you get a chance to go deeper on the person's answers if you don't hear the language and what they really say? So actually picking up the phone and talking to people in your ideal client target market is the best thing that you can do for your video marketing. Please take my advice. Most people don't do this. The next important thing is you have to implement, learn from experts. But why is this so important if you need more convincing? Well, let's give you an example. This is Jojo, and they run a dental practice in Perth with two very clear target markets. One is senior discount dental, the other pro sport mouthguards. And she's been working with us to increase her video quality and to get more leads and clients. And she knew that one marketing strategy was not going to fit both. The videos that she makes for seniors are slower, longer, story-driven, and they will enjoy watching until the end, while the videos she makes for the pro sports mouthguards are fast, action-packed, targeted at busy mums and kids with very short attention spans. Can you see that these simple changes will give you more of a chance that the person will click to watch your videos? The more targeted your video is to your ideal client, the more likely they are to respond with what you're saying. So all you have to do is get to know them. So I want you to mark some time in the diary and find some potential clients to have a chat with. Ask them questions like, where do you spend most of your time online? What was the last book you read? What social media platforms do you use? What kind of videos do you like watching? What kind of influencers do you follow? What length of videos do you like? And where do you hang out? Where do you search for your answers? Add questions that you think are relevant. I have lists of amazing questions. If you want the answers, it's going to take good questions. I'd love to hear your comments below what questions you come up with. We go through this process, very detailed process, every 6 months or so because the world changes, you change, and so therefore your client changes. You are a mirror of your client. I don't know if you've realized that, but you are attracting exactly right back to you what you're putting out there. And the same thing is, if you're using the word struggle a lot in your marketing or your wording, that means you're going to have a lot of people that are struggling clicking on your stuff. Words, language, all of it is really important when it comes to making videos. Another crucial part of video marketing for beginners is increasing your video quality. And this is the perfect video for you to watch right now to ramp up your video marketing. See you there.